Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. I had sex with my ex's twin. Before I dated my boyfriend, nagpaparamdam na talaga yung kambal niya sa akin. It was 2022 when he started reacting on my stories. After that, we even talked for a while. But I really did not want him since ang akala ko fuckboy siya. Fast forward to 2024, dinate ko yung isang kambal which is yung ex ko na. We lasted for like 8 months. I am from Manila and taga dun sila sa province namin. I don't usually go there na since wala naman akong gagawin dun. But when we started dating, umuuwi ako for him. LDR kami ng ex ko. I was not aware na he was a fuckboy pala sa province namin. After ilang months, nag-reach out yung kambal niya sa akin. He told me about my ex's cheatings. He sent me a video of him holding another girl sa bar. He also told me my ex was fucking other girls. And yes, hindi lang isa. He comforted me. He asked me if need ko ng karamay and I said yes. Pumunta siya sa house namin. I lived there alone. Nag-usap kami and he really comforted me. Uminom kami habang nagkukwentuhan until I felt his hands on my thighs. Aaminin ko sobrang gwapo rin talaga ng kambal ng ex ko. Kahit kambal sila ng ex ko, hindi ko maitatanggi na mas gwapo itong isang kambal. Dala na rin ng kalasingan, we started making out hanggang sa may nangyari na sa amin. It felt really good kasi he was gentle to me. And first time kong maramdaman na hindi dahil sa lust ang ginawa namin kahit wala namang kami. Nung may nangyayari kasi sa amin ng ex ko, para lang akong fubo sa kanya, to be honest. Up until now, I'm still thinking if tama ba yung ginawa ko o consider ko na lang yun as ganti sa ex ko, what should I do?